Hello everyone! I bet all of you are waiting for fresh and tasty market news. So let's see, what is new in power semiconductors industry. Yesterday, under the tagline "The future built by Bosch," wafer fab in Dresden was opened, one of the world's most modern chip production facilities. At the same time, this is also the first AIoT factory. AIoT stands for the combination of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. Bosch is using it to make the plant in Dresden a fully connected, intelligent factory, thereby creating a sound basis for data-driven, continuous improvement in production. Toshiba Corporation has developed a prototype triple-gate IGBT that reduces overall power loss by up to 40.5% when switching on and off, the process of allowing and stopping electricity flow in power semiconductors used to control electric power. It is difficult to reduce power loss in IGBT due to a trade-off whereby reducing the loss when the IGBT is on increases switching loss. Toshiba took on this problem by developing a silicon IGBT with a new structure of 3 gate electrodes and gate control technology that delivers high-accuracy gate electrode switching. The new device reduces turn-on loss by 50% and turn-off loss by 28%, an overall reduction of up to 40.5% against a conventional single-gate electrode IGBT with no increase in conduction losses. Improving the energy efficiency of power semiconductors is seen as essential for realizing carbon neutrality, particularly by achieving higher efficiency IGBT power semiconductors used in many products and equipment. The new technology is expected to boost the efficiency of power converters in electrical systems, including renewable energy systems, electric vehicles, railroads, and industrial equipment. Toshiba presented the technology at International Symposium on Power Semiconductor Devices earlier this June. GeneSiC Semiconductor, a pioneer and global supplier of silicon carbide power semiconductor devices, announced the availability of 5th-generation SiC Schottky MPS rectifiers that are setting up a new benchmark with their superior price-performance index, industry-leading surge current and avalanche robustness, and high-quality manufacturing. The revolutionary feature that makes the 5th-generation SiC Schottky MPS diodes stand out among its peers is the low built-in voltage, also known as knee voltage. It enables lowest diode conduction losses at all load conditions, crucial for applications demanding high-efficiency energy usage. GeneSiC's next-generation 750-volt G3R SiC MOSFETs will deliver unprecedented levels of performance, robustness, and quality that exceeds its counterparts. System benefits include low on-state drops at operating temperatures, faster switching speeds, increased power density, minimal running, and complex system size. GeneSiC's G3R, offered in optimized low-inductance discrete packages, are optimized to operate with lowest power losses under all operating conditions and ultra-fast switching speeds. These devices have substantially better performance levels as compared to contemporary silicon carbide MOSFETs. Japan will pull out every policy stop to court overseas semiconductor companies, including offering generous financial incentives under a draft growth strategy, joining the global race to secure supplies of the crucial component. Japan will swiftly match efforts by other countries to attract cutting-edge chip-making facilities so it can build a secure supply chain at home, said the document presented to a Cabinet Office strategy meeting. The Cabinet is slated to approve the document by the end of the month. Japan imports more than 60% of its semiconductors, much of them from Taiwan and China. Concerns persist that Sino-American tensions could squeeze global supply chains and disrupt shipments to its own industries. This comes as the US and Europe make aggressive moves to bolster their own supply chains of semiconductors, which are increasingly seen as critical to economic national security. Japan helps to sweeten financial incentives, but matching the financial power of the US or European Union will be a challenge. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next week with more industry news. Meanwhile, go to Marketing Cycle website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.